In this video, we're going to talk about Lewis symbols and how to draw them. A Lewis symbol is simply yet another shorthand for depicting the number of valence electrons and those electrons that are available for bonding around a particular atom given its ground state electron configuration. To construct a Lewis symbol, we'll use dots to represent valence electrons. And remember that for the representative group elements, those that are in the A columns of the periodic table, we can look directly to the group number, a Roman numeral that precedes A, to determine the number of valence electrons that any element in that group has. So to depict Lewis symbols, let's pick one period on the periodic table and draw Lewis symbols for every element across that period. I'm going to pick the third period on the periodic table, the one that starts with sodium. Sodium, Na, is in group 1A, therefore it has one valence electron. We're going to depict this one valence electron as a dot on one side of the element symbol for sodium. It doesn't matter which side we choose, it's arbitrary. So maybe I'll place a dot right there. That Lewis symbol for sodium indicates that it's got one valence electron. The next element in the period, magnesium, Mg, has two valence electrons. I'm going to use two dots to represent those two valence electrons, except this time I'm going to make sure that the dots are not on the same side. They can be on any sides that they like, they just have to be on different sides for now. Perhaps I'll place one dot here and one dot here. For aluminum, with three valence electrons, I have to place dots on three different sides of the element symbol. Maybe I place one dot here, one dot down below, and one off to the side. Silicon has four valence electrons. I'm going to use four dots to depict them, one on each side of the silicon symbol. It's only after we've placed four dots around a Lewis symbol that we can begin to pair dots up as we need more and more to represent further valence electrons. For phosphorus, for instance, with five valence electrons, I need to place five dots. The first four will go on their own individual sides of this element symbol, but the fifth one gets paired up somewhere. It doesn't matter where it's paired up, that's arbitrary. All that matters is that I don't pair up dots before I've drawn the first four. For sulfur, the Lewis symbol has six dots for six valence electrons. The first four go on their own sides. The fifth and sixth get paired up. Again, it doesn't matter where, just so long as I only begin pairing after I've already drawn four dots on four different sides. Chlorine, with seven valence electrons, gets seven dots around it. Argon has eight. This is how we draw Lewis symbols for atoms to shorthand depict their valence electron configurations.